So we're going to be having an open house in January that gives families a chance to come in and tour the school and meet the teachers and get a little gift and have a little snack in the cafeteria. Really get to interact with the staff and check out our cool building.
We are just really excited about our New Albany-Floyd County preschool program offering. The pre-K classes are fantastic. It's a great way for students to go ahead and get acquainted with the school community and start learning at an early age. We know research shows that early childhood education is so vital, and that we're able to offer such fantastic programs in New Albany-Floyd County. We're really excited about that, and we're really excited to meet all of our new families.
I think it's very important for people to come see the school before so the students can recognize where classrooms are, where the gym would be, and different specials, and to get familiar with the staff here. It filled up very fast last year with a lot of kids on the wait list, so it's important to come check out the program early and sign up when enrollment opens up.
And say L and put it back on your tray. Say
Kindergarten is such an amazing year. Watching the kids learn and grow both socially and academically is just incredible. And I think here in New Albany Floyd County Schools, we do an incredible job of meeting kids where they are, both socially and academically, and helping them grow in all aspects of their education.
We're inviting all of our pre-K and kindergarten families to come in on January the 19th. It's 5:30 to 7:30. That's in all of our elementary schools. Come in, tour the school, meet the teachers, see our classrooms, meet school staff, really get to experience what that pre-K and kindergarten program is like, and get ready to go for 23-24 school year.